Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can verify your Roblox email so you'll never lose access to your account again. If you do lose your password, you'll be able to get access, and if you get hacked, you'll still be able to get access to your account. So it's just a win-win-win. So here's what you need to do, guys. So the first thing you need to do, log into your account, go to your channel settings or your account settings in the top right hand corner, and then go to settings. Once you're in settings here, you want to go here and under parent's email address, you need to go and add the email that you want to verify it with. So click add parent's email. Once you've done that, go ahead and add your email here. So I'm going to add one of my emails here and then click add email. Once you've done that, it's going to send you or your parent an email which you need to verify. So go to that email and log in. Once you've done that, you're going to get an email, depending on your age of your Roblox account, I think, and they're going to say your child or you created an account. It doesn't matter, either way, you need to click on verify email, and what that's going to do is it's going to verify your email on your Roblox account, so whenever you go and log in again, if the password gets changed, if you get hacked, you're going to be able to use your email to go ahead and gain access again. So it's been verified, we can now enjoy the free hat.